Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by fixing scale and normal so transparency behaves predictably. In Blender, apply transforms and set export to FBX7. For or obj, this locks mesh transforms and materials. Once done, remove hidden geometry, merge duplicate verts and recalculate normals outward so faces render correctly. Make sure you bake or link proper UVs. Roblox uses UVs for transparency masks. Export selected objects only. This avoids stray objects and hidden materials, causing transparent artifacts. Now you tackle material setup and the alpha pipeline. In Blender, consolidate into one material and bake the alpha into the base texture or an alpha mask so you control cutout versus smooth transparency. Once the texture is baked, export with embedded textures or pack them alongside the FBX. Import into Roblox Studio, apply the texture to the mesh part, then test both translucent and alpha modes. If edges look odd, tweak alpha smoothing and ensure normals and backface culling aren't flipped. Finish by validating in Roblox Studio. Check for double faces, inverted normals, or overlapping geometry that creates Z-fighting and apparent transparency. If you still see holes, enable two-sided rendering or duplicate a thin copy of the mesh with reverse normals to force correct visibility. Once done, test under lighting and in play mode to confirm. If problems persist, re-export using another FBX version or export OBJ. This often resolves exporter-specific alpha and material issues. And remember to reapply scale and recalc normals before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.